Fact, slip and falls are the leading form of injury for CDL drivers. But there's good news. They're entirely preventable, as long as you maintain 3 points of contact when entering and exiting the vehicles. Let's go take a look. Hi, I'm Enrico, and today we're going to talk about how to safely mount and dismount the vehicle using the 3 points of contact. So what are 3 points of contact? It's simple. 2 hands and 1 foot are in contact with the vehicle at all times when entering and exiting. Think of the 3 points as points on a triangle. Remove 1 point and the triangle will still hold, but remove 2 and you're at serious risk of a fall. A standard truck cab sits several feet off the ground. Unlike a fall at ground level, it's not just a simple trip. A fall like this could put you out of work for days or even weeks, which is not worth skipping a simple habit. Let's review how to enter and exit the vehicle using the 3 points of contact.
Always face the truck as you enter and exit the cabin. Do not turn your back to the truck. Make sure you use the grab handles and steps every time. Move 1 limb at a time, maintaining 3 points of contact throughout your entry. As you are preparing to exit the vehicle, make sure to continue to follow the 3 points of contact rule. Face the truck as you dismount. Do not jump or step facing away from the vehicle.
Even experienced drivers can develop bad habits. Let's take a look at exactly what not to do when getting in and out of the vehicle.
It may feel faster to jump out of the cab, but the impact on your body definitely adds up. And one bad landing could put you out of work.
Ow, my leg.
Don't be like this guy. Use the 3 points of contact to avoid injuries just like this.
Would you look at that? Our friend here decided to use his overtime pay to buy an expensive cup of coffee. Would be an awful shame if he were to spill it. Oh, there he goes.
Oh my God, dude. You all right? Come on, get up. Here's a new cup. Use 3 points of contact to avoid spills like these. You've invested a lot into your career, so take the necessary steps to protect it and yourself by following the 3 points of contact every single time you enter or exit the vehicle. At Kunex, we take safety policies and procedures very seriously, so please make sure that you follow this whether you're at a terminal, a customer site, or a fuel station. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and until the next one.